This is the Beelicious Pro 4-quart air fryer, and this was sent to me for the purpose of this review, but I'm going to show you what I think of this. It is 4 quarts, so this will be good for a small family. There is many different options on this. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil. It also has settings for fries, steaks, reheating, and dehydrating. There is a time and temperature option on the top, power switch, menu selection, and to increase the temperature or time of your cooking. There's also a viewing window, as you can see in the top there, so you can kind of like see how your food's baking without opening the fryer basket. Air frying is a healthy alternative that requires no oil, and it's a rapid hot air that cooks meals faster. You don't have to use deep oil for this, so you can just spray some of your food with a little bit of cooking oil to crisp it up a little bit, but it will come out a little almost like it's been baked in an oven or like a shake and bake type consistency. So I'm dredging my chicken and dipping it in breadcrumbs before baking, and then I spritzed it a little bit with some cooking oil in the air fryer basket, and then also like a little bit on the breadcrumbs to try to crisp up the outside a little bit. And my chicken turned out awesome. It took about 15 minutes to bake in the air fryer, and I did turn it over one time while it was baking, but that's how fast these chicken breasts cooked. And so I'm going to show you how I just toss them in this. I spritz the pan a little bit there, and then I just toss them in the air fryer basket, and then I set the temperature for about 15 minutes, and that's pretty much how long it took. So I went ahead and flipped them about halfway through here, and they were perfect. They were 165 degrees internal temperature, which I did check because I wasn't sure. But as you can see, they got a nice crispy outside coating, and they are cooked all the way through.